Imagine growing hundreds of identical plants from just a single leaf. That's the magic of micropropagation. It's a way of growing plants not from seeds, but from tiny pieces of a parent plant. These tiny pieces could be cells, tissues, or even just a bud. It's like cloning, but for plants. Think of it like taking a cutting from a houseplant, except on a much smaller scale. In a special lab, scientists nurture these tiny plant parts in a nutrient-rich gel. This gel acts like a superfood, helping the plant bits multiply into hundreds of identical copies. This method allows us to grow many plants in a controlled environment. It's like giving plants the perfect nursery, free from pests and diseases. Micropropagation offers a peek into the future of farming, efficient, sustainable, and full of potential. It's an exciting time to be watching our gardens grow, one tiny plantlet at a time. The first step is selecting the right plant. We want healthy, robust plants with desirable traits. Then we carefully extract a small piece of the plant, a leaf, a stem, or even just a few cells. This tiny cutting is sterilized to remove any bacteria or fungi. It's like giving it a thorough cleaning before entering its new home. Next, the cutting is placed in a petri dish filled with a special gel. This gel contains all the nutrients and growth hormones the plant needs to thrive. Over time, the plant cells begin to multiply, forming a clump of undifferentiated cells called a callus. It's like a plant embryo, full of potential to grow into any part of the plant. With the right combination of hormones in the gel, we can coax this callus to develop roots, stems, and eventually into a whole new plantlet. These plantlets are then transferred to soil and gradually acclimated to normal growing conditions. And voila! We have hundreds of identical plants all originating from that single tiny cutting. Micropropagation might seem like science fiction, but it has down-to-earth benefits. Imagine growing disease-free banana trees, even when a deadly fungus threatens crops. That's what happened in Kenya, where micropropagation helped revive banana production. This technique also helps conserve rare and endangered plant species. By carefully cultivating plants in a lab, we can help protect them from threats in the wild. It's like a safety net for plant biodiversity. Farmers benefit too. Imagine growing high-yielding potato varieties that resist common diseases, leading to increased food security. Micropropagation makes this possible. This technology is not just about mass production, it's about precision and sustainability. It allows us to produce high-quality plants while using fewer resources like land, water, and pesticides. Traditional plant propagation relies on seeds or cuttings. While effective, these methods have limitations. Seeds can carry diseases, and cuttings don't always root successfully. Micropropagation, on the other hand, allows us to produce disease-free plants with a high success rate. It's like hitting the reset button, ensuring we start with the healthiest plant material possible. Traditional methods can be slow, especially for slow-growing species. With micropropagation, we can speed up the process, producing mature plants in a fraction of the time. Conventional farming often relies on chemical inputs to protect crops. Micropropagation offers a cleaner alternative, producing healthy plants with minimal environmental impact. While micropropagation requires specialized equipment and skills, its benefits, particularly for valuable or vulnerable crops, make it a game changer. It represents a fascinating blend of ancient agricultural wisdom and cutting-edge technology, paving the way for a more sustainable and food-secure future.